Today we have the CP4700 series wired asset tracking device. This device is built with a large rechargeable battery at 6600 milliamps. This rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides you with 3 years of battery life on a full charge. Use cases for this powerful device include tracking trailers and chassis, heavy equipment, mobile signage, and more. Perfect for industries such as equipment leasing, transportation, construction, mobile signage, and more. This flexible device is great for assets that have a constant power source, allowing for location-based data and high frequency, in addition to diagnostic readings. Also, the power and reliability of the CP4700 allows you to have assets deployed for an extended period while keeping a strong battery charge while not connected to power. This device also is sporting a 3-axis accelerometer and motion detector, rugged design, and IP65 rated integrated LTE band antenna, and integrated mounting flange with multiple options. Best of all is that installation is done quickly with an estimated time of 5 minutes per asset if wiring to a direct power source. As little as 2 minutes if you're installing with magnets and not wiring. Combine that with LTE coverage with either AT&T or Verizon, and this device will exceed all your GPS tracking expectations and needs.